But you, Lord, are a shield around me, my glory, the one who lifts my head high. Psalm chapter 3, verses 3. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Ask me of my favorite comfort food, and without thinking twice, I'm going to mention Ampesie with Abom. It's just one dish I enjoy so much. Looking at all the great vegetables coming together, making digestion very easy. It is just so satisfying. It also brings me back home. It just makes me bond so much, and it's quick to make. Today I'm going to use ingredients that are not very popular in our country. It is going to benefit lots of the Ghanaian living in the diaspora. So please stay tuned and let's get through it. I have some peanut butter, palm oil, some eggs, green peas, okra. I also have some tomatoes, peppers, and some smoked mackerel fish. Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to boil my tomatoes, okra, my green peas, and the peppers. I'm going to add a little amount of water and just allow it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. So these are the vegetables I'll use for the Abom, and for the carbs, I chose some yam. You can definitely use some potatoes, plantain, sweet potato. Cocoyams will not be bad at all. Depending on how easy you get these ingredients, go with the flow. All right, so I'm going to peel off my yam, and I'll make sure I cut them into my preferred sizes. Okay, once you're done with that, go ahead and wash it very well and put everything in your pot, season it with a bit of salt, and add some eggs to it and cover it. Allow this to boil. Yams normally take from 15 minutes to 20 minutes to get ready. It's also highly dependent on the type of yam you are using. And as always, make sure you're cooking everything on a low to medium heat. Okay, if you're enjoying the recipe so far, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So now, after about 7 minutes of boiling our vegetables, they are ready. You do not have to overcook your vegetables, okay? So let's start by making our Abom. You are most definitely going to be needing your asanka or apotoyoa to do the work. So to begin with, I chopped a few onions, about half medium size of onion. I used yellow onions here. You may also use red ones if that's what you have. I'll partially grind it and then go in with my boiled peppers. Anytime you add your boiled peppers to our sanka, just be gentle with your grinding process right from the beginning, because it can splash in your face. Not very pleasant. Okay, so I'm going to also add the head of my smoked mackerel. This is a great substitute for momone. Even back home, those who still use momone use the head of their smoked fish just to create that authentic aroma. There's a special feel to this. If you've not tried this before, please do well to do so. And as you can see, I added some few smoked mackerel here as well, and just go ahead and grind everything together. And then comes your other vegetables. I use green peas, some okra, and some boiled tomatoes. It is absolutely a great substitute for your abit, popularly known as turkey berries. It's very difficult for us to get some here, so we just go with the green peas. It's sweet and it just brings that beautiful texture and taste to your Abom. So if you are wondering what you can substitute for turkey berries, try using your green peas. It works very well. Okay, so go ahead and grind, add all the other boiled vegetables and give everything a good blend. Okay, and you're good to go. Everything is coming along so well. Just look at that beautiful combination of colors there. So beautiful. I am now going in with my last but one ingredient, which is my peanut butter. You may also use some roasted peanut. It works well as well, but just in case you're using the roasted peanut, you want to begin grinding that one first before all the other vegetables, okay, so that the grinding process will be a lot more easier for you. All right, So go ahead and enjoy the process until everything comes together. And I promise you, this type of abomu is one type of abomu that you can just enjoy it on its own without palm oil. But we just chose to have a little bit of closeness just to make everything better. Okay, so in my frying pot, I'm going to add my palm oil, add in my chopped onions, and fry it very, very well until it is nice and caramelized and very, very soft. All right, it is absolutely incredible. Just fry that for about 3 minutes and you're good to go. Those sounds are literally my favorite part of this whole dish. It is so amazing. And just go ahead and make sure each and every dip or the abomu will absorb this amazing glow from the palm oil. Okay, do not forget your caramelized onions, add some bits to it, and once you're done with everything, just know that your yam or whatever cup that you chose to go with is ready, and our eggs is most definitely ready as well. Go ahead and put everything together and it's going to look like this as you see on your screen. Absolutely incredibly delicious. If you've not tried this way before, please go ahead and try making your abomu this way and you'll not regret it. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I really enjoyed your time with me. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe and share with few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.